This teleprompter costs €0, $0, 0 British pounds. If you have a small studio at home, this is the video that you must watch. I will show you this DIY teleprompter. If you want to see a complete tutorial how to make teleprompter like this one, make sure to subscribe to this channel. As you see, the construction of this teleprompter is quite simple. All you need to have is a small cardboard box and one piece of glass. I used for this teleprompter a packaging from compact TV stand, but you can use any cardboard box of a smaller size. This box is 20 cm deep, 10 cm long and 8 cm wide. First you need to cut out of the top part of the box. What you must consider is that the back of that cardboard box should be as solid as possible. The best way would be to cut the top flaps, or let's call them the doors. As second, you need to color the inner parts with black color. Whether you will use the Sharpie or paint it with black, it's up to you. I would highly recommend to paint it with non-glossy paint. It is because once you will turn on the lights in your home studio, it might create reflections that can affect the image in your camera. Third part of making this teleprompter is to cut out the back panel. This is for inserting the lens of your camera. You must cut it exactly and then you can just slide the teleprompter on the lens of the camera. This way will the lens hold on tightly on the teleprompter. Take in consideration that the teleprompter will not only hold own weight but also the weight of your phone. As fourth step, you need to insert the glass panel into your teleprompter. This glass panel can be a simple glass from ordinary picture frame. It should be tilted towards you so that the reflected text from your phone will be oriented towards your eyes. For attaching the glass panel to the teleprompter, I use the regular isolation tape for electronics. You can get it in any bigger supermarket or in any shop with electrical parts. And that's it. Very simple. Before I bought my first teleprompter, this one that I am showing you right now, I used for recording all my videos in my online course. This was about 100 videos. No one has ever noticed anything unprofessional about it yet. So, the answer for your question whether this teleprompter is enough is absolutely yes. Give this video a like, subscribe to this channel and we will see us soon. Ciao!